Hello everyone, this is our latest product, 70 series thermal break folding door. Let me introduce you some detail. The processing technology of aluminum profile is ultra high precision, and there is almost no error in assembling. The surface treatment is very smooth. About connection method, it adopted divergent groove die casting process, and there are two processes of collision and screw connection. At the same time, glue injection and end glue are used to ensure high sealing performance. We adopted pressing rubber strip to make it more convenient to process and replace the glass. Super large composite rubber strip is used between the fan and the fan. It's automotive-grade sealing strip, which improves the sealing performance, anti-age, and pinch function. What's more, the hinges comes with the sealing tab to form a continuous seal. Also for the bottom frame and accessory has the sealing tab to improve the sealing effect at corners. We have high and low track options. This high track adopts a floor joint type to have a high drainage, and the drainage performance is good. Lower load bearing structure is adopted. The center of the gravity of the fan is centered, so the sliding more smoothly and not easy to sag. Also, we adopt door stopper to make it more convenient to use. For accessories, we use the CMECH brand. It has silver and black color choices. There is multi-point leak-resistant lock system, which greatly improved safety performance. This is the product profile and it's the fill cotton. The heat insulation strip is selected from 20 mm to 24 mm, which has better thermal insulation performance than our existing series. Okay, if you're interested in this 70 series thermal break folding door, please contact us. We will give you the best quote and more details. Thank you.